Hi everyone, welcome to Raiji's Cruise Guide's second Beryl cruise update regarding how Beryl's impacted the cruises out of the Port of Galveston. Last time when I did the update was right before the storm made landfall, and now that the storm has passed and cruising has restarted from Galveston, I just wanted to give a quick update on what's happening with the different cruise lines and ships and then the status of some of the parking lots around the port. I wanted to post an update sooner, but unfortunately, I've been without power and internet for the past couple of days, like many others in the region. Please keep in mind as we go through this update that things could still change, so make sure if you're cruising soon that you pay attention for any communications from your cruise line. The Mariner of the Seas was originally scheduled to depart from Galveston on Monday, July 8th, 2024. However, before Beryl made landfall, Royal Caribbean had already announced that the Mariner of the Seas wouldn't be in Galveston until at least Tuesday, July 9th, 2024. The Mariner of the Seas arrived in Galveston in the afternoon and ended up departing late yesterday, Tuesday, July 9th. The ship is currently in the Gulf of Mexico en route to Cozumel, Mexico. The Mariner of the Seas is scheduled to be back in Galveston on Saturday, July 13th, and there are currently no known impacts on the ship's next cruise. The Carnival Breeze is scheduled to dock in Galveston tomorrow, July 11th, 2024. The Port of Galveston put on Facebook a couple of hours ago the following post. Carnival Breeze will operate from Cruise Terminal 10 on Thursday, July 11th due to Hurricane Beryl impacts at Cruise Terminal 25. The Port of Galveston will provide shuttle buses for our parking customers. Embarking customers will continue to use Port Cruise parking lots A and B. Private cruise parking lot operators have been notified of the change. And then the Port of Galveston included a link to some maps in their Facebook post. When the Carnival Breeze departs Galveston tomorrow, it's going to be sailing on a 4-night cruise that docks in Cozumel. The Carnival Breeze will be back in Galveston on Monday, July 15th, 2024. On the cruise that leaves on July 15th, it's not yet known which cruise terminal the ship is going to use, so guests sailing on that cruise should continue monitoring their Carnival communications and any communications from the Port of Galveston for updates. The Carnival Jubilee is scheduled to dock in Galveston on Saturday, July 13th. At this time, there are no known changes to the Carnival Jubilee's upcoming cruise. Guests sailing on the Carnival Jubilee this weekend should continue to monitor for any communications from Carnival or the Port of Galveston regarding their upcoming cruise. The Carnival Dream is scheduled to also dock in Galveston on Saturday, July 13th. Just like the Carnival Jubilee, there's currently no known changes to the upcoming Carnival Dreams cruise. Guests on the Dream should also monitor for any communications from Carnival. The Harmony of the Seas is scheduled to dock in Galveston on Sunday, July 14th, 2024. At this time, Royal Caribbean has not announced any changes to the Harmony of the Seas' upcoming cruise. Guests sailing on the Harmony of the Seas should continue to monitor for any communication from Royal Caribbean. Many guests that are currently on cruises that sailed out of Galveston last weekend have been wondering about the status of the parking lots and whether they flooded. The Port of Galveston posted that as of Tuesday, July 9th at 1 p.m., there was no evidence of flooding at port parking lots. There are also several privately owned and operated parking lots near the Port of Galveston. Easy Cruise Parking posted on Facebook on Monday, July 8th, the following. We want to let you know that all vehicles are safe and secure. We've got you covered. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out and let us know. Stay safe and enjoy your cruise. Lighthouse Cruise Parking posted an update on Facebook on Monday, July 8th at 3:15 p.m. and said, "Good afternoon, everyone. I went through all the lots and all the vehicles seem to be fine. I took some pictures so you can share if you have any family or friends that are on a cruise. Thanks." The photos are on Lighthouse Cruise Parking's Facebook page, and if you go to their post on July 8th, you should be able to find it there. Patriot Cruise Parking posted on Monday, July 8th, 2024 at noon. "We're happy to report that everyone's vehicles are safe and secure. We've got you covered. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us. Stay safe and enjoy your cruise." Port Parking posted on their Facebook page on Monday, July 8th. "We wanted to reassure you that all vehicles are safe and secure at our parking facility. We've got you covered. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. Stay safe and happy cruising." This was just a snapshot of what some of the different parking lots around the Port of Galveston have said. This isn't every single parking lot, so if you're currently on a cruise and wondering about the status of where you parked your car, I recommend checking out your parking lot's social media. Thank you for listening to this podcast update from Raiji's Cruise Guide. I hope you found the information useful. Please consider subscribing to Raiji's Cruise Guide's YouTube channel. It would be fun to have you along on this cruise YouTube journey. Have a great day.